A few days ago, I saw a post about personalized stickers for notebooks in some social apps. Out of curiosity, I clicked in and took a look. I swiped the screen a few times and looked at the screen, and found that at least 8 of the 10 thin and light notebooks were Lenovo's. You can imagine how high Lenovo's market share is. The Legion series, which is also the signature of Lenovo's gaming notebooks, is also a topic that many gamers cannot avoid when purchasing. For players with a budget of around $7K, and you happen to want Intel chips and 40 series graphics cards, the author naturally recommends this Legion Y7000P 2023 model. When buying a gaming notebook, you naturally have to look at the configuration first. There are 2 versions of Legion Y7000P. One is equipped with the 13th generation i7 and RTX 4060 graphics card version, and the one in my hand is equipped with i5 to 13500H and RTX 4050 version. In terms of graphics card, both models are developed with 140 watts full power consumption. In terms of processors, the 13th generation Intel Core i5 to 13500H adopts a 12-core 16-thread appearance, 10nm process, including 4 performance cores and 8 energy efficiency cores, 45 watts TDP, and a L3 cache of 18 MB. The heterogeneous architecture is indeed a revolutionary appearance of Intel, which better solves the problem of the balance between the performance and battery life of notebook processors. For some daily light loads that do not require the intervention of graphics cards, this processor is sufficient to meet the needs of most applications. From the Cinebench R23 software running points, the i5 to 13500H scored 1753 points in single-core and 15584 points in multi-core. In the IETA 64 stress FPU single baking test, the processor power consumption of the Legion Y7000P has been maintained at around 89 to 91 watts, which is in line with the official 90 watts performance release. In the 6-minute single baking test, the CPU core temperature is 95 degrees, which is good. As for the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 discrete graphics card, the author does not intend to use the traditional running score method to present it to everyone this time, but to test the frame rate of different types of games to give everyone a general impression. After all, not every player buys a computer and bakes it at home, right? Most of it is obtained from the actual experience of the game, and then the author also selected several representative games from Steam for actual measurement. The Legion Y7000P is a gaming laptop that takes your gaming experience to a whole new level with its powerful hardware and impressive display capabilities. Let's dive into some popular games and see how this beast handles them. Counter-Strike: Global Offensive is a fast-paced FPS game loved by millions of gamers worldwide. With the Y7000P's 2K 165Hz ultra-high-definition gaming screen, playing CS:GO becomes an exhilarating experience. The laptop effortlessly maintains an overall frame rate of 200 to 300, ensuring smooth and fluid gameplay. Remember to press FN+R to switch to the glorious 165Hz refresh rate, enhancing your gaming immersion to the max. This business game, supporting NVIDIA DLSS and NVIDIA Reflex technology, becomes a joy to play on the Legion Y7000P, even at the default 2K image quality. The laptop manages around 118 FPS in simple scenes and maintains above 74 FPS in complex dynamic scenes. Turning on ray tracing while disabling vertical synchronization further boosts the frame rates to around 101 FPS in simple scenes and above 70 FPS in complex scenes, providing a perfect balance between image quality and performance. Delivering express deliveries in Death Stranding becomes smoother with the Y7000P, thanks to its remarkable frame rate of around 98 FPS in outdoor running status. Although the 16:10 screen aspect ratio introduces black borders when playing at 16:9, the overall performance is still impressive, making the gameplay enjoyable. The Legion Y7000P proves to be a capable gaming laptop across various stages, from CPU baking to actual game testing. With its price hovering around $7K, it offers a compelling gaming experience. Mainstream FPS games run smoothly, delivering enjoyable gameplay with consistent frame rates. Even for 3A masterpieces, the laptop showcases its capabilities when the graphics quality is slightly adjusted, still providing remarkable experiences. The Legion Y7000P comes in 2 configurations, differing by approximately $1K in price. The first configuration features an i5 processor paired with an RTX 4050 graphics card, while the second configuration boasts an upgrade to an i7 processor and an RTX 4060 graphics card. Each configuration offers its own level of cost performance. In conclusion, the Legion Y7000P stands as a worthy choice for gamers seeking a capable gaming laptop at a reasonable price. Whether you opt for the i5 version with the RTX 4050 or go for the upgraded i7 version with the RTX 4060, the Legion Y7000P offers a satisfying gaming experience for a wide range of games. So, select the configuration that aligns with your preferences and budget, and get ready to immerse yourself in the thrilling world of gaming. Write your opinion about the new gaming laptop from Lenovo. I will wait for your comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.